How to select and delete multiple photos on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your photos, and where here you can go here to your albums. And of course, you have to select the photos or choose the photos that you want to delete in the same time. So let's say this album. And to be able to select and delete multiple photos on iPhone, on the upper part you will see the select option here, right? The select option, and beside it is the three dots. Tap on select. Now if you tap on select, there will be cancel there, right? Now on the left side of that you will see select all. Now if you click on select all, everything in that album will be selected. And of course, if you want to delete it, then you can tap on the trash bin on the bottom part. Now let's say you want to deselect some specific photos. Let's say you want to deselect these photos, then all you have to do is to tap on that like that, and make sure that it doesn't have the check mark. And if you're satisfied with that, on the bottom part you will see the bin icon or the trash bin icon. Tap on that, and of course delete the photos here. So confirm delete, and as you can see, you have successfully select and delete multiple photos on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.